Well, the idea of the workshops was really to be able to follow up with teachers throughout the academic year and to convene them away from their classrooms so that they could have focused time to gain more understanding with the content and also consider different strategies. Is for teachers to feel more confident in their understanding of the curriculum that they're implementing.
It's almost like having an impromptu mentor. You know, the purpose of a mentor is to kind of be an umbrella. So when it does rain, you don't get wet because they already see what's happening. And then that umbrella can raise or can come down to where you are. So being in communion, if you will, or fellowship with other CS teachers, especially those who have taught it a couple of times or a couple of years, you listen and you get to be like, oh, I'm not going to do that. Or they'll say, don't do this, you know, so you don't fall into the same pitfalls that they went through.
Being a former teacher and attending some other type of workshops, one of the main differences that I notice is in the workshops we present, we do a lot of unplugged and physical computing activities. So it's not just, oh, the teacher's just going to be on the computer to do computer science, but we bring in some tangibles, some manipulatives that connect to the concepts that the teachers will be presenting in class to their students.
My fellow will stay after and we do like co-planning. And that's been very helpful because in a lot of ways I don't know the curriculum yet or expectations. They make assessments, activities, and just the professional development days are a good way to learn what resources are out there.
They eased and allayed a lot of my fears about the learning aspect of it and how I would get access to the content. They were able to ease any trepidation I would have had in the pedagogical perspective. Like, you already have the pedagogy, now we're just going to add the knowledge to what you already have. And they gave that to me. It's still ongoing, showing me ways to use the content effectively for the students, and then looking for funding and of course the PD that we have to use these little unplugged activities to take the content and bring it to life has been invaluable.
You know, we always need to make sure that our teachers feel like they're supported and that you know, they have others in the community that are rooting for them.